we'll take a look at what the belt system is. And this is one of the parts that's taken so long. This is the belt, of course, the Gates belt, and I'm waiting for shivs to come that are the proper width. These will operate just fine, and they don't have any problem with operating those. And Gates will guarantee this belt. Then in here is a jack shaft, of course, that comes off of the engine. Will be chain driven, the shaft out of the engine to this jack shaft. And of course the mechanism inside of the transmission here to lock it out so that this portion of the shaft that would normally come out to a wheel doesn't drive where this plug is. So it's only driving from one side. So we've had the engine running. It started up just fine and run perfect. At least what little bit we had it running. And now it's just a matter of getting all this hooked up, getting it going. Give you a little better view of the motor. I'm fooling around here with my hand and reaching. See? It purrs like a kitten. I'm really pleased with the way it drives. Really pleased with the way it drives. I'm pleased that we now have a full-blown reverse. And of course, a lot of these things have to be done temporarily. The mounting of the radiator, of course, is only temporary, as the battery is, as the rest of the things. But these are things that we've endured before and we can take care of very easily. But okay, keep right on filming. It's driving good. We got a little work to do on the Pacific program here, and on the chain portion of it. Shifts great. Something different on the reverse. I don't want to horse it too bad yet, John, till we get that motor mounting situation fixed up. But in the meantime, I'm gonna give her just a little bit to give you an idea of what kind of power it's got. All right.